Are you considering modifying or short selling your home? Or maybe you're even in danger of foreclosure.
How much of an impact will this have on your credit score?
Hello, my name is Barry Horvath, and this is Moving Forward TV, your local market update.
And I am DeLynn Gaston. Thanks for joining us. We are continuing our series on credit scores and the impact they have, right?
Yep.
This week's show, it's actually a little more near and dear to our heart because it's about how a mortgage impacts your credit score and more importantly, the negatives. What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just listening.
Foreclosures, foreclosures.
Why'd you hit me?
Short sales, modifications.
Yep.
Those kind of things, and how they're going to impact your credit score.
A borrower's credit score can definitely be impacted by loss mitigation.
Yes, which includes...
I know.
What?
Pick me. I'm in the back.
Yes, you.
I'm the little boy in the back. Pick me, pick me. Okay, it can include a modification. So a lot of people aren't aware. They just think, well, my lender's going to go in, they're going to fix my loan for me. They're going to modify it.
Right.
A lot of them, don't give me the right.
Sorry.
A lot of them will make you go like 90 days behind to even consider a mod.
Now, will that impact your score?
Hello, yes,
think?
it will. And a lot of them report differently. So every lender will vary on how it can impact your credit. So don't think just because my lender's helping me and modifying my loan that it will not impact your score. It's just going to hurt it. So.
And they might not tell you that up front. They all do it differently. The other thing is how severe it will impact your score. Quit it. How severe it impacts your score. Surprisingly enough, something that we learned interestingly enough when we took this seminar was it kind of depends on where your score was prior to the foreclosure or the modification or the deed in lieu or whatever it happens to be. Surprisingly enough, something we learned, the people with the higher credit score, it could drop their credit score over 100 points. Whereas someone who had a lower credit score, say mid 600s, it could drop at only about 50 points.
That's what she
How
said.
interesting is that? Okay, needless to say, whether it is a foreclosure or a deed in lieu of foreclosure, it still has a negative impact on your credit report and obviously a negative impact on your credit score. So whether you're 30, 60, 90, 120 days late, which you'd have to be in foreclosure or deed in lieu of foreclosure, it is definitely going to have a huge impact on your credit score.
Now a short sale.
I was going to say, notice I didn't say short sale.
You didn't.
Because
a short sale on the other hand.
A little different.
Should, that's the operative word here, should be reported as settled for less than agreed on your credit report. Not necessarily a complete charge off.
Right. And it's not mandatory that you be delinquent on your mortgage in order to short sell your home. And I really want to stress this point because that is a huge myth out there. And 99% of the lenders are saying to people you have to be delinquent before we will allow you to short sell your home. And that's just not true.
Can I give them an interesting fact?
Yes, please.
Okay, I thought this was amazing because I got these numbered.
Fact.
Okay, if your credit score when you were starting a short sale was hypothetically a 720 and you did have a short sale and you had no deficiency balance, meaning that the lender said you're free to go, short sale away, your credit score would probably drop to about a 625. Now, here's the really interesting part, DeLynn.
If, a lot of times people say to us, well, should I short sale or should I just let it go to foreclosure? I'm just done with it.
Excuse me, I wasn't done yet.
Sorry.
Okay.
We'll go.
If they had a deficiency balance with that short sale, meaning that the bank wanted them to pay back a portion of it, their score could drop down to a 590. So you went from a 720 to a 590.
That's huge.
It is huge. All right.
Now
what were you going to say? All right.
Foreclosure, under the same scenario, somebody who started out at like a 720 score or something like that, and if they go to a foreclosure, because we do get that question a lot, like, I can see that, I don't have my glasses on. I can't see anything.
That's their credit score.
Anyway, it could drop all the way down to a 570. So yes,
Ouch.
It does make an enormous difference. If at all possible, try and short sale instead of foreclosure. Not to mention the recovery process.
So this,
it's I thought I was starting.
Wait, it's this Saturday.
This Saturday.
We are doing a live
show, yes.
Just let me tell them about it. Just shut up for a minute. This Saturday, we're doing a live show. DeLynn is super nervous because we're not going to be in the comfort of the studio where they can cut out all her screw-ups that she does, so we'll be live.
My screw-ups.
All right, it's never me, okay?
3 cups of coffee, and he still couldn't get it.
It's been a rough morning, I got to tell you today. So on Saturday, I plan to be well-rested, game on. We're going to do credit report.
Fixing and stuff. One of the biggest, I'll sum it up. One of the biggest things that we do every single day of our lives is talk to people about their credit. It's the most questions we get, how things affect their credit, how they can get their credit scores up. I chat nonstop about that. So we figured by popular demand, we would do a live show that is interactive, our producer tells us, so that you'll be able to type in the questions. Yeah, I know. Live? Especially being a Saturday morning. You know, I'm going to be sitting here with like a gallon of coffee.
What time is it again?
It is at 10 o'clock.
Is that Eastern time?
10 o'clock Eastern time.
Okay, I'll probably be late, so she'll start without me.
He always
it's just
is.
what I do.
So 10 o'clock this Saturday, July 13th, and you can type in your questions and things like that. We got a lot of questions, and we're hopefully going to get through all of this uninterrupted, other than when he comes in with his coffee.
So much more. Okay.
Please tune in.
Get this show out, share it.
Right.
Put it out on Twitter, like it on Facebook.
All those things, YouTube it.
YouTube it to death, okay? Our YouTube viewings are through the roof right now. It's amazing. Thank you guys for sharing it. So.
Thanks for watching. We are Today and Every Day.
Hopefully moving forward.
We will see everybody on Saturday.